everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, we're going to go over a scuffle. So a scuffle is a lot like a shuffle. It's just kind of a shuffle in reverse almost, I guess you could say. So if you take what we learned about a shuffle, which is a brush forward, brush back, and we're doing it all on that front metal toe piece. Okay, so brush forward, brush back on that metal toe piece on the front. When you do, you want to combine the shuffle with what we learned about the scuff. So the scuff is where you take that back edge of your heel toe piece or your heel piece, metal piece, and you just scuff it along the floor. You hit it on the floor, and it makes kind of like a scrape sound. So you want to take that scuff. So take what you learned about scuff, take what you learned about the shuffle, and you want to kind of put them together. So when you do these, you want to start with a scuff. That's where the scuffle and scuff and scuffle comes from. You're going to scuff forward, but then brush your toe back, and that's where the shuffle part comes from. Okay, so you're scuffing forward with your heel and brushing back with your toe. Good. So if you're used to shuffles, it's a little bit hard to change your mindset to make it into a scuffle. You really have to think about not pointing your toe or making sure that you're not hitting your toe, but that you're really angling your foot upward to first get that scuff. So really flex your foot so you're first getting that heel, that scuff. Good. Let's try some on the left side as well. So again, starting with that scuff and brushing back. Again, scuff, brush. Good, nicely done. It's a little bit awkward at first, but once you get the hang of it, it gets easier, okay? So say you wanted to go faster. We'll see if my mind can do this. It's a little bit of a tongue twister for your feet, I guess you could say. So back to right foot, say you wanted to go faster. Ooh, excuse me. And same thing on the left side. Here we go. Good, nicely done. If you want to go faster, you can practice those on your own as well. They're a little bit harder. And they end up starting to look like you're just doing a dig and then brushing back. But once you go faster, because it's hard to get that scuff, kick it forward, and then pull the brush back while going fast and still doing it perfectly. So it ends up looking like a dig brush. And same thing on the left side as well. So these get tricky as they get faster, but they kind of start to break down into a heel dig brush. Ooh, excuse me, the last one was really bad. So scuff, brush. Okay, so those are scuffles. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a question about a particular tap, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below, and I'll try to get to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.